Which statement or statements is or are correct when a catalyst is added to a system in dynamic equilibrium? 1. The rates of the forward and reverse reactions increase by the same amount. 2. The concentrations of the reactants and products do not change. 3. The value of Kc increases. A. 1, 2 and 3. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 2 and 3. Or D. Only 1. So firstly with this question, let's look at each statement individually and determine if it's correct or not. So when you add a catalyst to a dynamic equilibrium, the rates of the forward and reverse reactions increase by the same amount. This is true. The forwards and reverse reactions might be favoured if you change temperature, pressure, or the amount of your reactant or product. So that one is correct because they don't change when you have a catalyst. The concentrations of the reactants and products don't change. This is also true because you're not adding any more reactant or product, you're not changing the volume or anything like that. So they do stay the same, so they don't change. Then the value of Kc increases. So Kc is based on concentration. So if we had a basic equilibrium where we've got A plus B, a dynamic equilibrium C plus D. So Kc is equal to the concentration of C multiplied by the concentration of D divided by the concentration of A multiplied by the concentration of B. And then if you had, let's say, 2 of A and 3 of C, you would have a squared and a cubed here. But this is based on concentration, and we've already established that the concentrations don't change. So Kc won't increase, because for it to increase, you would need more of C and D, so you need a higher concentration of your products. But because they don't change, it's not going to increase, and therefore this is incorrect. So we're looking for an answer that says 1 and 2, and that is B. So we write B. And to get the mark for the question, you need to write B in the answer box provided.